Okay, so what you are seeing here basically is the higher management homepage. So, in the small and medium scale companies, the owner can be or an MD or the CTO, CEO, whoever it is. He requires an overview with respect to each of the functions. So that's what this ERP is basically built on. You can see there is a sales status, leads and opportunity, production status, invoice status, payment status, and inventory status. Also, the beauty of this ERP system is like he can do any kind of activity. There is no restrictions at all, or there is no dependency on any particular user. He can create, if he wants to create a new quote or new order, sales order, work order, he can do it himself. So there is a reason actually very quickly he can get all this access to different locations and he can always come back. So the so each of them you can see there the PO register, sales order, work order, inventory, production, invoice, receivable, supplier PO, HR and accounting, the corporate functions, everything. There is whole lot of functions on the left side also. So if you go there on the sales status, for example, he can get to know the enquiries, what is coming in the current month and current year, the quotes, orders, leads and opportunities. Same with the current month and current year. If he clicks on it, so it opens up again the details with respect to like different enquiries we got and things like that. So there is a graph which basically tells about like how much quote we have given, how much order we received. So again, there is a sales status consolidated, sales dashboard, leads and opportunities, enquiries, trending, performance. So these activities, all these things are possible. For example, sales status consolidated view. If you wants to have a look at it, it opens up the monthly target and actual with respect to current month and year, the region based, and there is a split, the customer type, the reach, and there is a table comes over there. It gives very clearly there are different sorting options, and it opens up in no time, very quick, and he gets the details. He further clicks on this, it opens up a particular customer PO. So the whole lot of options are possible with the higher management, and he doesn't have to really depend on or wait for some details. He can very quickly get the details, either whether it is a report or some data or dashboard. Everything is possible here. See, for example, I just can show it to you the quote register. If he clicks on, it opens up the quote register and he can create the new quote. What is the current status? Is there, I mean, how much we have submitted? What is the value? So each of the function will come with I mean, the comprehensive page, and he get to do the activities very quickly. And apart from that, the head will always have an admin setting. He's by default, he will get the admin access where he can get, he has lot of settings. He himself can change it. He can modify some data if he wants. So functional setting, if he goes there, and then there is a whole lot of things you can see there, material list, supplier list, many things he can do himself. So the the basic communication here is the being head of the company, he does not need to depend on some personnel to do the job. So of course he can do that very well, but if time comes, he himself can make his hand work full, and then he can do that job. That brings the efficiency and the clarity with respect to the whole lot of system and the status of each functions.